everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my perfect scrambled eggs, guys. It's really easy to make. Just stay with me, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what to make, and please, if you use my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. All right, guys, what we're gonna need, guys, I'm gonna make 3 eggs today, guys. But you guys, I have brown eggs, but you guys can use white eggs if you guys want to. And we're gonna need some butter, guys. I just put it in the bowl. And we're gonna need some black pepper and salt for taste. And we're gonna need some oil, guys. And I have almond milk, but if you guys want, you guys can use water or you guys can use heavy cream, but I have almond milk. That's what I'm gonna use to make our scrambled eggs. Guys, we're gonna use 3 eggs. Just gonna put 3. Now what we're gonna do, guys, let me get the heavy cream. Guys, I have 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of milk, guys. Remember I told you guys, you guys can use water instead. You know what? I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons, guys, because it's gonna be more creamy, guys. You guys can put 1 if you guys want, but I'm gonna put 2 instead because it's gonna be more creamy. Okay, let me put my milk back. Guys, so I'm sure guys what we're gonna do. You're gonna go slow, guys. I don't want you guys to overbeat our eggs. And I'm not gonna put the salt and the black pepper now, guys. I'm gonna use it when the eggs is almost done to put the black pepper and the salt, guys. We're gonna do this for like less than 1 minute, guys, because you don't wanna go overdoing it. I think that's good. Alright, guys, next I'm gonna put my stove, guys. I'm gonna put it on 6, guys, because you don't want to put it on high, guys, because when you put it on high, guys, it's not gonna be the perfect scrambled eggs you want to make, guys. You wanna show you leave it, guys. I'm gonna put it on 6, but when it start being hot, I'm gonna put it on 4, guys, because you don't want it to be too hot. Now I'm gonna wait for it to be hot, guys, so I'm gonna start putting my butter and oil. Alright, guys, next what we're gonna do, guys, let me show you what I put, guys, because I love butter, guys, on my scrambled eggs. We're gonna put 2, it's like 2 tablespoons, guys. Let me put it on 4 now because I don't want it to be too high. And sorry, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, guys. I'm sure that's a little bit, we don't need that much. I'm gonna wait for my butter so I can put my eggs. Alright, guys, I just put the eggs on the pan, guys. Make sure you leave your stove, guys, on low. Do not put it on high, because if you put it on high, you're not gonna have a perfect scrambled eggs. You see, it started to cook. Now what you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna go so slow, guys. Please don't go fast. You need to have, you need to have patience to make scrambled eggs, guys. Just gonna keep doing that, guys, and it don't take that long to make, guys. Just gonna keep doing that. So okay, that look real good. We're just gonna keep doing that. Now I'm gonna try to flip it. And remember, guys, I told you guys, you guys don't have to add salt or black pepper, but when I'm done, now is the perfect time, guys, to add a little bit of black pepper. Because when you make scrambled, guys, you want it to be hefty, guys. You don't need to put all that season. So that's enough salt. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna do it like that so I make sure my scrambled eggs, all the salt and the pepper go from all over it, guys. And then it's good, guys. It takes like let's say less than 2 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna just add my eggs on the plate and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Alright, guys, I'm done. I just put the eggs on the plate. The eggs look really good, guys, really creamy. And if you guys want, you guys can add some butter or cheese if you guys want to, but me preferably, I love it like that with only the salt and the pepper, guys. And thank you so much again for watching my video. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you all. See you guys on my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.